We can't say it enough. Remember to wear your masks, wash your hands, and sanitize. Smell jammers are begging you. Have you ever thought about, though, where you put your mask after removing it from your face? If it's not stored in a clean place, you could be doing more harm than good to yourself. And joining us now to help with this is Jodian Birthright. She's Managing Director of JKB Superior Cleaning Service. Hi, Jodian. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Hi, good morning, Delia. Thank you for having me here.
So it's a great question because, yeah, for true, we don't think about where we store the mask. We just think about where is it going to be next time I want to find it. So where are some of the places that you've discovered people normally store them? I have some in my bag. I have some in the car. Where are the other places people store them? See there? Nope.
Well, you see people storing it around the mirrors, on their hands, next to their steering wheel, in the compartments in their vehicle, the door, beneath the dashboard, in their pockets. So they will basically just put the mask wherever it's closest to them or wherever they think it's convenient, which may not necessarily be the best or safest way to store it.
Why?
When you
Why?
think
Why isn't
about,
it? Why isn't it the best or safest way?
because you may put your mask down on a contaminated surface. Bacteria is not visible to the eyes, the virus is not visible to the eyes, and as we know, the coronavirus lasts on surfaces from hours up to days.
Right.
So you want to store your mask in a clean and sanitary way, and it's very important for us to be protecting the thing that is protecting us from the virus.
All right. So we've seen where we shouldn't store it. How or where should we store the mask?
Well, we have introduced our newest antibacterial protective silicone mask cases. These cases are made from silicone, and once sealed, no dust or water or any contamination can occur inside. It protects your mask and it keeps it clean, and you store it in a sanitary way.
Oh, wow. So, any particular reason why silicone?
Silicone is a durable material, and it can be clean and sanitized. You can boil it so that you are also protecting the casing that you're storing your mask in.
Yeah.
It is waterproof, it is dust proof, and it will last for a very long time. So you are actually purchasing a good quality product that will last and protect your at the same time.
Jodian, I have to say, that's extremely innovative. How did you come up with the idea?
Well, I have two sons who are attending school. The older will be going to Kingston College, and my younger son goes to prep school. He's 7. So in the back to school planning and with the new protocols where the children have to wear masks to school, I'm thinking about my sons, and you know how children can be irresponsible and carefree, and they will just take off the mask and put it down anywhere without giving any thought to it. So it was necessary for me to think of a way to help them to put up their mask in a clean and sanitary way when they do remove it from their face. So it's just me helping them to protect the thing that protects them, to store it in the safest way possible.
That's awesome. We're looking now at some on screen, and they have little cartoon animated characters. So tell me about the range that you have, because these colors, I love these colors. They look, from your cinema, these are, well, I was going to say these are for the kids, but my cameraman would buy these ones as well. So talk to me about the range that you have.
Okay, well, we have two types. So you have seen before, we have the silicone, which is more ideal for adults and teens. And then we have these pouches, which are more ideal for kids. The seal is as like a Ziploc, so it's easier for them to seal it. And they come in 4 colors, that's pink, white, blue, and yellow. For the silicone mask cases, we have them in 6 colors, that's black, white, blue, orange, green, and purple. Right, so you can choose the color according to your personal preferences.
Yeah, and I noticed
And
the kids.
as for the kids,
Go ahead.
As for the kids' mask cases, they are big enough to hold their sanitizers, wipes, because as you know, to go back to school, all the children will be required to have their sanitary kits, which must include the mask, the hand sanitizer, the wipes. So it's big enough to hold all those items that they need to have with them on a daily basis at school.
Yeah, and it's cool that you have it all in one place. That's what's important. And also, you can put one mask on them and make sure they have a backup mask, because they're going to probably lose it the same way they lose the pen, the pencil, the rubber, and everything else that you give them to go to school. All right, Jody, and boy, that's amazing. I'm just really, really very proud that you came up with this. So for people who are watching, parents, adults who need to get it, where do they find you and how do they order?
Okay, well, the easiest way to find us is on Facebook, on our Facebook page. That's JKB Superior Cleaning Service. All our contact details are there. You can message us directly. You can send us an email or you can call us.
All right, so there you have it, guys. There's the email address. Make sure you send the email early. What's the time frame in terms of ordering? Because you know us, we're going to school start tomorrow, order tonight at midnight.
Right, so we have a turnaround time of 2 weeks, depending on this pandemic. We anticipate some delays, so reasonably 2 to 3 weeks turnaround time.
All right, and for retail stores, because I'm suspecting some stores might be watching who may want to carry the product in the store, they can contact you as well. Is that a possibility?
Yes, they may. For wholesale orders, we do provide for wholesale, and we do offer a discount based on the volume. So the higher the volume, the higher the discount that you will receive.
All right. Thank you so much for speaking with us, Jody, and great job. You see?
Thank you.
Listen, man, opportunities abound. Jody and Birthright, Managing Director of JKB Superior Cleaning Services. After the break, it's our He Said, She Said segment, and we'll be discussing dating then versus now. Never laugh, me no know why. We'll be right back.